Like me, have you ever wondered, or maybe you've said it out loud, how did the cops get all the money? How did they get everything? Well, I can tell you one of the ways they get it is through effective use of data. And some may say manipulation of data, but they use their data effectively. You know, when I ran the Prince George's County Fire EMS Department, I can't tell you the number of people that came to me and said, "Chief, how did you get $12 million for new apparatus in such a short time?" By data. They said, "Chief, how did you hire 400 firefighters?" I said, "Well, you know, it takes money, but I had to have the data to support it." You've got to be able to have that data in your fire department, and you've got to be able to make sense out of it. So whether you call it manipulation or whatever it is you call it, that's not the point. The point is taking the data that you know you have already and putting it to work for you and your organization. If you haven't taken the time or haven't had the time to manage your data, you're missing out on a lot, I'm here to tell you. Nationally, we are approaching a crossroads moment. With the institution, or it's in the planning and testing stages right now, of United States Fire Administrator Lori Moore Merrill's NERIS project. So NERIS will be replacing NIFRS. That is a crossroads moment for us in the fire service, to be able to have data and manage the data, to be able to make the justifications you need every day for the purchases and the hiring of folks, or the recruitment of volunteers, or whatever it is that's been a data problem for you. This is a crossroads moment in the establishment of NERIS, and it'll be coming soon. It's already out there in testing in some fire departments, coming soon to all of us. Now, we've been complaining about NIFRS functionality for years. In fact, I know many of you have abandoned any thought of getting anything useful or productive out of NIFRS. A lot of folks were never reporting in NIFRS in the first place, even though they attested to using NIFRS in their grant agreements, but that's a video for a whole nother day. So NERIS promises to change that. I've had a look at some of the webinars and the data that's coming out of the development of that, and I'm very confident that the NERIS system is going to be up and running soon, and the timelines for Dr. Moore to get that done are both legitimate and attainable. We just need to keep the fire to that and make sure that us as fire chiefs are taking the opportunity to learn it and to be a part of its continued development. The purpose of this video is just to prod you a little bit on data, hopefully point you in the right direction. Last year, during National Fire Data Week, there was a wide range of opportunities for all of our fire departments, paid, volunteer, whatever, to take advantage of. So whether it was volunteer recruitment and retention, metro-sized department complexities, or EMS provisions in the fire service, there was something for everyone in that National Fire Data Week. The United States Fire Administration will once again host National Fire Data Week this year in June, so June of 2024. I need to make sure that we're getting the word out and that you take a deep dive into not only your own data, but into the opportunities that are going to be available during National Fire Data Week. Dr. Moore's One Voice effort is the linchpin that will draw us all together in this effort. And at the end of the day, it's about the service we provide to our communities, which we will only make better with the use of thorough and accurate data.